Alright, yo, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowry. We're back. Dude, today was so annoying. Way too many trades taken today. This was definitely one of those days to just sit back and not trade. You can see entries on SPY. So we did initially want this reject up here. We were overbought levels, bearish divergence on the five. So I definitely was looking for these puts. We were up right here. Told everyone to sell trim there, right? So I only trimmed one contract, and then we started this chop. All this chop, even to here. This was the profit take. Like, it took so long. The fact that it took from 920 to 115, contracts lose value. So like when you day trade options, you have theta, right? And the the value of your contract goes down because it's a same day expiration. So like if you have, it's gonna be worthless at the end of the day if you're way out of the money. So yeah, it starts, getting smaller because no one's gonna buy something that's literally expiring in, 45 minutes. So I would say that killed us the most. A lot of people actually made money on this drop and actually took profits. And then the ones who held with me, they actually almost broke even. I was in, I was in a little bit. I was in SPXs, which cost more and decay way faster. So I lost a little bit more, but still 185 on the day loss, and then 550 on the other account. So it's like it is what you make of it, right? I mean, this initial move right here should have been your one and done, and you're done by 9:15. That should have really been it. But even these wicks right here, this was super hard to hold through. I literally got stopped out and then re-entered, and then it dropped. So you know, um, days like today, you just want to leave alone. You could see. I'll show you guys, right? You can see right here. We just started this wedge, and it just was in this zone the whole day, and then finally broke out. So this could have been the second. This should have been the second trade, right? This should have been the first trade. Boom, and then break out of the wedge, and then retrace is the second trade to enter here and take profits here. Um, so you know, trading is so fun. It's so fun. So I'm telling you guys, like, if that doesn't excite you, what just happened right there, like, just waiting for this to happen and then being patient for your entry here and taking profits here is all you have to do. And then you make money. Like, this is money. So this is from noon to 12:30. This whole move from noon to 12:30. So within a half hour, we could have easily cleared about 500 if you went light on one or two contracts. Um, yeah. So get with the game, y'all. Get with the game. You could even look at it like a little. Where do we draw it at? We drew like a little. Oh, we drew a little flag. I don't know if this was invalid or I was just hoping to see. I was just seeing things. But yeah, I should have just taken it from here to here. Boom, and that was the breakout and take profit, right? So that was another way to look at today's chart. But yeah, like I said, it was just crazy days trading. Shouldn't even really trade, but there are ways to do it. This is stuff that I teach, just like how to day trade, bro. There's a million ways to skin the cat. I mean, it really is just going over a bunch of different strategies, finding what one that fits you the best. My strategy might not work for you, and my brother's strategy might work for you. Like, it's just finding what you resonate with the most, like how you kind of already see the charts and what makes sense to you, and then just applying it with like super low risk, and just take your little $50, 100, but like that's good money. $50, $100 a day, like just take it while you're working on it. Um, but yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Just a quick little recap. We had little Tesla puts too from here, but we were in those since here, so it was took a while. But yeah, came back a little bit, and my brother called out MSTR. He called out MSTR puts, so those look good to the downside to continue into tomorrow. And I think that's what they're swinging for is this 290, 299, 302. But yeah, all right, yeah, have a good one.